Every day, millions of Ford owners drive around with powerful hidden features built into their vehicles and never use them. From F-150 Beasts to Escape SUVs, these are the 7 secret Ford functions only a few drivers know, and today they're about to change your Ford forever. Number 7. Hands-free liftgate. Imagine yourself with groceries in both arms, phone slipping, keys lost in your pocket, and the back of your Ford still closed. This moment happens every day, and most drivers don't realize their Ford already has the solution. From escape to expedition, a hidden sensor under the rear bumper is waiting for one simple foot motion. With your key nearby, a small kick under the bumper opens the liftgate like magic. It looks cool, but what if you could control that liftgate so perfectly that it never hits your garage door, never opens too high, and always stops exactly where you want it? Well, inside your Ford screen, you can actually set the exact height the liftgate should open to. You open the gate, move it to the height that fits your garage, then save that position in the vehicle settings. From that moment on, it opens to that same spot every time. The foot motion closes it too, and the FordPass app can trigger it remotely before you even reach the car. Mechanics often suggest wiping the bumper sensor weekly because dirt can confuse it and make the feature feel unreliable. And when it's clean, it works smoothly and consistently. The safety system also stops and reverses if anything is in the way, helping prevent accidents. The car you already drive is smarter, and now you're using it the way it was meant to be used. Number 6. Pro Access. Tailgate plus work surface. You park your F-150 in a tight space, another truck behind you, a wall in front, and the tailgate feels useless. This is where Ford quietly changed the game. On 2024 models, the Pro Access tailgate doesn't just drop down, it swings open sideways like a door, giving you full bed access even when space is tight. At first, it looks like it's only about easier access, but the real surprise comes when you notice what's built into that same panel. Like, what if the back of your truck could turn into a real workbench, strong enough to hold serious weight, accurate enough to measure cuts, and stable enough to work on wherever you park? Actually, the Pro Access tailgate opens from the center and swings wide on the passenger side hinge, so you can step straight into the bed without climbing over anything. Then the top panel flips down to reveal an actual work surface with built-in rulers, clamp pockets, and even a spot to hold your phone while you work. The stepped surface supports up to 150 pounds, which means you can stand, cut, assemble, or prep gear right on your tailgate. When you're towing, the partial opening still clears ramps and trailers, making loading simple. Campers use it to chop food, contractors use it to build on site, and weekend DIY drivers finally have a workspace that travels with them. Under the surface is an aluminum core with full weather sealing, so it's strong and built to last. Most people buy the truck for power, but this feature quietly turns the entire bed into a mobile office. Number 5. SecuriCode keypad tricks. Have you seen the number pad on Ford doors 1,000 times and probably thought it was only for unlocking when your key is lost? And if that's you, congratulations. You're exactly like most owners who stop way too early. But behind those 5 buttons is one of the smartest security systems Ford has ever built. Now here's the crazy thing. That same keypad can open your trunk, unlock every door at once, trigger full lockdown, adjust your seat and mirrors, and even save you when your key fob is completely dead. Sounds impossible from 5 buttons. But this is where Ford got sneaky. The factory code is hidden in your glove box or inside the vehicle computer, and once you have it, you can program up to 5 personal codes. With simple number patterns, the keypad controls the whole car. One sequence unlocks all doors, another pops only the trunk, another locks everything down. You can even link your personal code to your driver profile, so when you unlock the door, the seat and mirrors move to your exact position before you even sit down. But what if you lose your key fob completely? That's a good question. But before I show you that, if these Ford tricks are already saving you money, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who drives a Ford. All right, back to it. So talking about losing your key fob, don't worry because the keypad can still let you in and start the engine. Valet mode lets you create a temporary code that limits access to the trunk and glove box. Trust me, This feature alone has saved them hundreds of dollars in lockout calls, and now it's waiting for you to use it. Number 4. FordPass Geofence and Speed Alerts. There is no doubt that everyone thinks the FordPass app is just for remote start and locking doors. However, buried inside that app is a full tracking and safety system that turns your phone into your truck's brain. And once you turn it on, you never want it off. It can draw an invisible fence around the people and places you care about, and the second your vehicle crosses that line, your phone quietly lets you know. It feels like you're watching your truck from anywhere in the world. But this isn't some future tech. So how do you actually turn that feature on? This is pretty simple. In FordPass, you can see location history, driving routes, battery health, fuel levels, service reports, and even nearby charging stations for hybrids and EVs. There you can create geofences for anyone or even valet parking. So if the vehicle leaves a zone or goes faster than the limit you set, your phone sends an instant alert. But there is a part almost nobody expects. You can schedule remote starts for every weekday, like 7 a.m. on the dot, so your cabin is already warm before you even step outside. And it doesn't stop there. Escape PHEV owners can even watch live power flow from their phones, seeing exactly how the vehicle is using battery and engine in real time. Over 10 million people use FordPass, and battery drain stays minimal. So Ford didn't just give you a remote start, they quietly gave you full control of your vehicle from your pocket. Number 3, custom digital cluster. The dashboard in most cars feels boring and stuck in time. But in many Ford models, especially Escape and F-150, that screen behind the wheel is a full control center. With a few presses on the steering buttons, your entire display changes and suddenly your car feels brand new. But hold up. Why would Ford hide one of its most powerful driving tools behind a few tiny buttons that almost no one touches? Maybe they just want you to use your last 2 brain cells and discover it. The digital cluster lets you choose exactly what you see while driving, from live tire pressure and navigation arrows to fuel graphs, hybrid power flow and warning info, all arranged the way you want. And yes, you can change it very easily. Just use the left arrows on the steering wheel, open the menu, pick your layout, and arrange the information the way that feels right to you. People love this feature because it helps them catch low tire pressure or engine warnings without even pulling over. Some drivers even say it boosts fuel efficiency by a few percent just because you're finally seeing what the car's doing. So your dash, your rules. Number 2, underfloor storage bins. A cargo area looks like a flat floor for bags and boxes, but many models hide a second level underneath. It can store tools, a jack, even real valuables, and no one outside can see a thing. Now, how much could that change the way you use your vehicle? And how useful could it actually become once you know what's hiding there? This is where it becomes really useful. In the Escape, the underfloor bin is weather-resistant, has removable dividers, and can hold nearly 20 gallons of storage. It is perfect for groceries, emergency kits, tools, and things you do not want sliding around the trunk. In the F-150 and Maverick, the rear seat bins and bed storage are even smarter. They lock with the doors, include built-in tie-downs, and are strong enough to hold heavy gear. Many owners store laptops, work equipment, cameras, and even firearms safely out of sight. When it gets dirty, just hose it out. No stress, no mess. While thieves search the seats and glove box, your most valuable items stay hidden in the one place they never look. Number 1, Sync Reset Combo. And now for the last feature that I guarantee you still don't know. When the sync screen freezes, the map locks, Bluetooth dies, and everything starts acting strange. So drivers panic and think the system is broken. Some even rush to the dealer before trying the simplest fix Ford ever built in. Now, what if your frozen screen, broken Bluetooth, and dead navigation could all be fixed in 10 seconds without rebooting the car or visiting the dealer? That's why this one is the number 1. On vehicles with Sync 3, hold the volume down button and the Seek Right button together for about 10 seconds. The screen goes black, then restarts. On Sync 4 systems, press and hold the power button 5 times in a row for a soft reset. These reset combos clear nearly 90% of common problems, including Bluetooth dropouts, navigation freezes, screen lag, and random system errors. If the issue is serious, you can also perform a full reset by holding the voice command button and the end call button together while the engine is off but the car is in accessory mode. It easily saves hundreds in tow fees, service visits, and wasted time. And of course, dealers do not tell customers about it. So now you know 7 hidden Ford features that change everything. Which one are you testing first? Tell me your Ford model in the comments. And if this opened your eyes to what your Ford is really capable of, there's another mistake almost every owner makes: oil changes. Don't miss our next video exposing the oil change errors silently destroying Fords faster than you ever expected.